Alrighty guys, this is the elevator for the parking garage here at the Radisson here in Bismarck, North Dakota. We got a lovely Series 1 here to ride, an older one too. Interesting. Let's go to B. Elevator owned by the city of Bismarck. Cool. Series 1. Alright, let's go to Tears, I think. Interesting. Let's go down to D. Also, look at this door open button. Just a couple, single 4 door open button. That's really weird. 988 phone. It's got a pretty nice cab, although this elevator could use some improvement. Upstairs, because look at this floor in here. Alright, look at this floor in here though. Look at that.
Crazy, huh?
Huh. This T stands for terrorist, okay? Definitely interesting.
Smash my thumb.
But yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.